Welcome, my name is Michael Cessna of FH Motorsports. I drive the number 724 car, the BMW M3 in the American Rally Association, and I actually made money doing rally racing. OZ Rally Pro does a shootout competition with regional class, so two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. The fastest time on a particular stage gets $100. And guess what? We got first place. We got the fastest time in two-wheel drive class during STPR. It's the waste management stage, stage 4, and we ended up getting the fastest time, which Derek James probably would have had the fastest time, but he ended up breaking down on this stage, and you can spot him broke down in this video if you watch real quick. The waste management stage is probably one of the most brutal stages of all of ARA across the United States. Ladies and gentlemen, here is Waste Management Stage by Jamie and I. Enjoy.
2.
I'm going by rally
1,
safe.
Go. 100. Left 4 over crest. Long over small crest. Left 4. 30. Water over 50. 30. Turn R1. R1. Into left 5. 50. Right 6. 100. Right 5 short. Into left 3. Up long. Right 5 short. Into left 3. Up long. Slippy starts right 3. Water. Into left 5 short. 50. Right 6 short. 50. Left 3. Right 3 off camber over water. 30 small crest. 20 left 2 short. Right 3 into left 1 deceptive. Left 1 deceptive. 50 right 2 over small crest.
Come on, come on, come on.
Into left 3. Into right 2 long. Into left 2. Into right 2. Into left 3 short. Into right 2 short over water. Into left 4. Into right. Okay. There's your left 4. Kinks 120. Right 3 short. Into left 3. Right 5 short. 250. Slippy ends. Left 6 over small crest. Tightens to 4.
Left
6 tightens to 4. Small crest dip. Very long. 70 left 5 slippy. 150 left 5 short over water. Left 2 stay out.
Here it is.
Left 2 stay out. Over crest right into right 2 short. Over crest into right 2 short. 50 left 4 into right 5 short. Left 4 into right 2. Left 4 into right 2. 50 small crest. 70 left 4 extra long. Left 4 extra long. Over small crest into small crest. 30 small jump. 70 turn right 3 over small crest. Left 6 over small crest, 180. Here we go. Don't worry about anything, just jump this thing. Jump. 50, left 6 long, 100. Right 6, very, very long. Small crest, kinks, 400. Right 4, rocks outside. Right, rocks outside. right 5, into left 5 short. Right 5 into left 5 short over water. Turn right 3, stay out gate. Left 4, very long. 30, turn into right 2. Right 2. Into left 3. Left 3. Into right 5 short. Don't cut, don't cut. 30, turn left 2 over small crest, deceptive. Left 2 over small crest, deceptive. Right here, left 2 over small crest, deceptive. Good job. Into right 6, 50. Left 5 water. Right 5 short. Left 4 over small crest. No cut. 50. Jump down. Jump down right here. 30. Left 4 slippy. Into right 3. Into right 2. Right 3 into right 2. Into left 2. Into right 5 over small crest. 30, right 5 short. Left 6, stay out, tightens to 3. 6 tightens to 3. Rough into left 2, rocks outside. Left 2, rocks outside.
Left 2.
Left 2, left 2. 30, down into left 2. Right here, down into left 2. Right 2, off camber. Into small crest, into left 4. Into right 5 short. Into left 3 slippy. Kinks, 120. Jump into right 6. Over big crest, rocks outside, 20. Turn right 2. 20, turn right 2. 50, left 3, over water. Right 4 over small crest. Long no cut into left 5 short. Into right 4, into left 4, into right 3 short over crest. Left 3 short jump into right 3 over crest. Left 3 short over water. Into right 4 over small crest, into left 5, to right 4 over crest, left 5, into turn right, turn right, right 2, into right 1, 50, right 3, 30, left 4 short, into right 5 over small crest, right 5, into left 5, 30, L3 over water, left 3. 50, right 3, opens, tightens. 30, right 3, tightens to 2. Right 3, tightens to 2, right here. 50, left 3 over small crest.
Tightens to 2.
Here's your 2. Left 3 over small crest. Right here's your left 3. 30, left 3 over crest. 30 right here. Left 3 over crest. Right 2 late over water. Right 2 late. Here's your right 2. 30, left 3 over crest, tightens to 2. Left 3 tightens to 2. 20, water. 30, crest, into right 6 over small crest. 20, left 3 over crest. Left 3. 50, left 4 over small crest. Tightens to 4, over crest. Into crest, 100, jump, 40 over R3. This is R3 right there. Small crest, left 2 at the end here. Left 2 over small crest, left 2 over small crest. 100, turn right 3. Right 3, right 3. 50, small crest. 30, right 5, turn into left 2 water. right 5, turn into left 2, right here, left 2. 70, left 5 over small crest. 30, right 5 short. Right 4 short, sorry. Right 4 short, right here. Then left 3, small jump. 30, left 3 over water. Right 4, stay out into left 5. Small crest, left 6, 50. Right 5, turn into right 2 unseen. Right 2 unseen. Right 2 unseen. Right 2 unseen. Left 4 over small crest. Right 5 short. Over crest, kinks, rough for 120. Right 6 at the end of the kinks. Okay, right 5, bump 30, turn left.
Can't see.
Going this way.
I can't see.
Right. Okay, left 4 into turn. Right 2
they're
over,
right in front of us.
Yeah, right 2 over small crest, no, unseen. 2, 2, 2. Where'd I go? 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 30. Okay, this is
Left 2.
left. Yeah. I'm off. Hold on. Left 2 drop outside.
I think I got this memorized. Can't see.
Right 4 short. Okay, you got a left 2 coming up over a crest here somewhere. Right there's your left 2.
It's down here. I cannot see.
I can't see anything either. I'd help you out. Okay, here's your left 2. Very long. And you got a right 2 is right here somewhere. Right, there's a right 2. Very quickly. Left 2.
Can't see. Big rock.
Left 4, small crest. Right 3, left 1. I am lost. You're doing good.
Jump, jump.
Jump.
Jump is right here.
Jump 100 into left 5. 30 past junction, right 3, turn into left 3. Right 3, turn into left 3. No, good job. 100, fence right 5. Go to the
Can't
fence
see.
now. Turn right 2 at the end of the fence, I think, yes. Just got a right 2 right here. It's coming. There you go.